best foldable smartphones of 2024. Users experienced an exponential change to the best foldable phones over the past year, especially the flagship phones such as Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 that are seamlessly dominating the entire tech industry because of amazing specs. So if you're looking for the best foldable smartphones, then look no further, as you're in the right place. Gad Insider has compiled a list of the best foldable smartphones. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is one of the best foldable smartphones you can purchase, as it features ample screen real estate along with perfect performance and overall value. It's $100 less than similar notebook-style foldables from Samsung and Google. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. There's plenty of features to like about the recent iteration of Samsung's flagship foldable, as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is thinner and lighter than any of its older variants. It weighs as much as many conventional designed big screen phones, which is a great advance on Samsung's part. Motorola Razr 2024. Motorola returned after so long with the Razr 2024, partly because it's an adequately different handset. It should be noted that the company ditches the tiny outer screen and changes it with a larger 3.4-inch one. The Motorola Razr 2024, ahead of the more premium Razr Plus 2024, is how it balances specifications and price. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 makes a comeback with some remarkable advancements over earlier models. The best change of the pack involves the Flip's main camera, which now uses a 50MP sensor instead of a 12MP all previous Flip models used. Motorola Razr Plus 2024. Motorola enhanced its Razr Plus 2024 more largely with an even larger 4-inch outer screen from its predecessor's 3.6-inch one. There's also more focus on personalizing with more widgets, along with the capability to stitch several ones for more convenience. Nubia Flip 5G. The Nubia Flip 5G is restricted in contrast to the entries on our list of best foldable smartphones. Camera quality in particular is outstanding, but you might receive limited software upgrades.